Greetings and welcome to Luca Sprues. In today's video, I will build and review the Plastic Soldier Company T-70 platoon. This kit came to me in the mail in a generic box with 3 sprues to build 3 T-70s and a sheet of basic instructions. The kit doesn't include any decals. Construction is very easy, with most of the finer details being moulded into the body for ease of construction at the expense of detail, but the moulds are still very crisp and clean. I cut out the driver's hatch and the turret ring and scratch-built details including the engine and transmission from clay, and glued copper wire, card, balsa wood and bits of spare sprue to make the interior details based on reference photos. Overall, the construction is very simple and easy, especially since the wheels are moulded to the lower hull, which saves a lot of time. Once I'd finished the model and attached the small details, I painted the exterior Tamiya dark green too, and after painting 3 layers, I added on the rubber wheels with flat black. Then I did some chipping with flat aluminium and painted the exhausts titanium gold. I did some markings in flat white using a very fine brush, and painted part of the exhaust system white. Before adding the tracks, I used PVA to glue dirt to the lower half of the tank to simulate a build-up of dried mud. The tracks came in 2 separate halves on each side. I painted them on the sprue before giving them a pin wash of flat black. The interior was painted primarily white with the use of tank hull red, titanium gold, medium blue, flat aluminium, flat black and flat earth on the engine and other parts. I used dry brushing, chipping and flat washes to add detail and variety to the interior. The final step was to use heavily watered down flat earth on the tank to produce dirt and grime streaks, and with that, the model was complete. The kit is very simple and easy to make since it's primarily aimed at war gamers, so I definitely recommend it for beginners. It offers a subject not very often available in 1/72nd scale, and the results are a nice group of T-70s. There were also crew figures included, which I may do in a later separate video. A more experienced modeler might be able to scratch build extra detail that's missing from the kits. Thank you very much for watching, and shout out to our Patreon, Archie. Thanks for your financial support, old chap. Very grateful to have it. You can support us by subscribing, liking, commenting, or also becoming a patron. Link in the description. As always, thank you very much for watching, and model on.